I was wondering if you would let me pressure wash your driveway for free.
For free?
No strings attached, for free. We do social media, so we'll do before and after pictures and videos.
For free?
For free, no strings attached.
Have at it.
Okay. It shouldn't take too long though.
Toss it around this
All right.
side.
Sounds good. We'll get to work. What's up, everyone? Jet here with Clearview Pressure Washing, and welcome to my first video. This week, as I was driving through a neighborhood, I came across one of the dirtiest driveways I'd ever seen, full of dirt and algae. So, I went to knock on the door to see if the homeowner would let me take care of it for free. But, before I could make it to the door, I noticed two sweet ladies planting flowers in the garden. So I walked up to the ladies and explained to them that I would love to take care of their entire driveway for free. They were hesitant at first, and one of them even gave me a funny look. They weren't sure what pressure washing was and were afraid that it might hurt the concrete. But after explaining that it would make the concrete look brand new and actually make it safer, they gave me the green light and told me to go for it. So, I cleaned their entire driveway and it looked completely different afterwards. So, be sure to stay till the very end of the video to see the crazy before and after pictures. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to scroll down and hit that subscribe button for me, as it really is the best way to support this work that I do. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoy this video and have a great rest of your day. I'll see you next time. I'm out. Just got done. We'll get out of your hair. It took a little longer than we anticipated. One of our phones died. Yeah, it'll make it a lot safer. Thanks for letting us do it.
So what company are you representing?
We're with Clearview Pressure Washing.
More than just
We do, yeah, pressure washing, house washing, just anything that's dirty, we'll clean it. So yeah.
looks good.
Thanks for letting us do it. Yeah, of course. Take it easy, okay? All right, see ya.